Big Tank 10, we have availability of American officers from Peru, from Venezuela, and Panama, traditionally tank countries, and the trade is growing between America and EU. Some not need US visa. In those cases, a lot of ship owners are contacting Cuba and Venezuelan officers. Then others with US visa, we could talk about Panama and Peru officers. Ratings we have throughout Panama, Peru, Honduras, Guatemala, El Salvador, Venezuela, and Cuba, depending US visa requirements or not. But it is very competitive nowadays, and it's a different policy. If you do have, for example, 50 tankers above 90k deadweight, think about having some 20 Latino. Why? Because probably those ships trade with USA or trade within Caribbean waters to Europe. So think different and really adapt to the new times, because many ship owners are having issues of very high wages. Top officers in India, they are negotiating every day, also the same as Eastern European top officers. But here we could have really a pool for your 20 big tankers. Why? Many don't have top Peruvian officers, for example. So there's a huge opportunity for those that really want to promote and have stability to go towards your company, and then adapt to new changes today, because the US dollar is very competitive, 16% less to the euro than 1 year ago. So invest in your goodwill. Thank you for your time. Bye.